Come back home to me, where rivers are running free, through valleys as far as the eye.
Slept for 7 hours straight. Woke up smelling like the bus seat. Where am I? Kalasa. It's about 310 kilometers from Bengaluru. You can drive or catch a bus and sleep your way here just like I did. You won't find two-wheelers for rent in Kalasa, so we did the next best thing. Hired an auto for the whole day. Auto Anna deserves 5-star rating. Swalpa masu but full aura. And the ride was fully worth it. Lush hills, misty curves, totally my kind of commute. We stayed at this place called Kudremukha Base Camp. Great spot to just zone out. This is what our room looked like. First stop, the Samseti Estate. A Ganesha temple right in the middle of the estate. Movies like Love Mocktail, Galipata 2 were all shot here, giving full cinematic energy. We took a walk here. Later, we went to the hanging bridge built over the Bhadra river. This is the view. Next stop, the Kalasishwara temple, also called Dakshina Kashi. Yes, it's that sacred. It is said that the name Kalasa comes from this very temple. After soaking in the peace, we decided to chase a little chaos. Surmane Falls. You'll need to walk a little bit. Forest path, muddy trails, and all the usual this better be worth it thoughts. But then you hear it. And see it. Next, we went to the Amba Tirtha, another beautiful water spot, and yes, another movie location. If you watched Ranadira, some of the scenes were shot here. This place makes you just want to sit quietly and dramatically throw stones into the water for no reason. Last spot for the day. No crowd, just nature, tiny surprise waterfalls, and my best friend sleeping in the auto. And wow, Yelneer Falls. Hidden, calm, felt straight out of a painting. And then my phone died. Falls ಇದೆ but ಜಾಸ್ತಿ content ಇಲ್ಲ. Just like that, the day ended with mud in our shoes and about 108 videos of waterfalls from different angles. Good views, good vibes, and good night. This is what it looks like when it's 6:30 a.m. and you're in Kalasa. We took a bumpy jeep ride to Netravati base, the starting point of the trek. Trust me, this ride made me question all my life choices. This is a 14-kilometer trek and recommended for beginners. We started trekking and we thought we were fast, and then these cows overtook us. This was our first pit stop, a nameless waterfall. Fresh water, cold feet, zero complaints. Second pit stop, the Netravati river, pure, wild and clean. Yes, we drank straight from it. This is the view from Peak 1. 50% battery, 60% energy. Peak 2. Legs say no, but view says just a little higher. And finally, the top. Surreal views, no words, just a quiet feeling saying you did it. Nothing else mattered at this point. And then it started raining. Full movie climax mode. If you watched till here, you definitely deserve a vacation. Thank you, namaskara and bye bye.